Hello honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a totally different install. It will be a frontal install over locks. Yep, you heard right, a lace frontal install over locks. Now the first thing I did was a ball cap method. After doing the ball cap method, I'm placing the wig on her head just to see how it lays. After placing the wig on her head, I'm now cleaning her skin off with 91% alcohol. If you watched my previous videos, you will know why I'm doing this step. After cleaning her skin off, I will be going in with the blow dryer and drying her hairline. Next is time for the Bold Old Active Glue, and I'm just placing it on her hairline exactly where I want the lace frontal to lay. After placing all the glue down, what I will be doing is taking my rat tail comb and I will be spreading the glue evenly across the hairline. I will be using 3 coats. The amount of glue you use is totally dependent upon how long your client would like to keep her install in. For her, she just wanted a 2 to 3 week old. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beautybar if you'd like to keep up with me. Now I'm just using the end of the rat tail comb to spread the glue evenly across the hairline. I'll be waiting until it turns clear before I add my other 2 layers. Now, after adding all the layers, I place the lace down on the hairline into the glue, and I'm just using my blow dryer to further melt the lace into her skin. Now I'm proceeding to cut the lace off. I like to start from in the middle or wherever I'm going to do my part. And you always cut in a zigzag motion. If you watch my previous videos, you will know why. So basically, I cut the other side and now I'm just switching over to the next. The next thing that I'll be doing is the baby hairs, and this is my favorite part. If you watched my previous videos, you will know that. Now I'm just taking the comb and making our part. After making our part, I will be cutting these baby hairs, then laying them down. I am using the one and only Got To Be gel in black. After that, I will be proceeding to wet her curls down. She is wearing deep curly in 18-inch. This is also from my wig collection. So if you like this hair and you want to purchase it, hit me up. So I'm using my spray bottle and I'm fully saturating this hair with water. I want to ensure that every inch, every bit of curl is wet before proceeding to apply my hair polisher. Make sure you stay tuned for the end results, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be dropping secret discount codes in my videos. The discount code for this video is Peaches. This is how the style came out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.